This is a Chuki beat production.
Hey guys, and welcome back. It's definitely a nice sunny day in October. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about, what's it take to have a sleeper BMW 335i. Now that's been my biggest motto on this channel as far as my car being a sleeper. It's sleek, it looks nice, elegant, whatever you want to call it along those terms. That way it has plenty of power to back it up, but it does have some styling differences versus, complete stock. It definitely does help being that it's a sport package car just because of the stance and all that, but you add to that. So let me take you around my car. Now let's first start under the hood. BMW N54 engine. So what I have, JB4 G5 ISO with the JB4 back-end flash, race map 7 with 100 octane in the tank, will target 20 psi. I'm losing a little boost somewhere, so I'm right around like 17.5, but it definitely hauls for even just what it is. Berger Motorsports DCI, so you got the dual cone intake, Forged Motorsport diverter valves with 15 to 23 psi springs, and then a CPE charge pipe. So all the boost coming in, it's able to target easier with the DCIs. It's able to hold the boost right there. Come down here, ARM Motorsports 5-inch stepped intercooler that actually does produce some lower IATs. So it doesn't take much to make power on this car, and you don't need a ton of mods. So I am almost full bolt on besides the downpipe. So I got to get my downpipes in and then I'll be set there. But without it, the downpipes on the stock ones, they actually do float pretty well. So to be able to run a race map, the car's fast. It's definitely fast. So just trying to reiterate, you don't need a ton of mods, but the tune is a big one, fueling, and of course some of the other ones that I have. Other than that, that's all my engine mods that I have. All right, coming down the outside here, so 10mm front wheel spacers with 15mm rear wheel spacers that pushes out both front and rear tires perfectly to the outside. It gives it that nice, perfect stance, and it has that nice aggressive look too. On the back, we have Berger Motorsports exhaust tips, gloss black, kind of goes with the black look there. You can see the nice tires and how they stick out perfectly. Sport package height, which makes it nice, give that lower stance. Coming on the front here, so the front is going to be a little bit different than your normal car. So the 335i has chrome, so I did 328 finisher rods there that are black with paint matched OE splitters on the front. BMW Performance Gloss Black grills, of course, so you have that look there with AFE hood scoops to help direct some of the air right in there. I painted the window trim gloss black to give it that all nice sleek black look, and then added a M3 E90 trunk clip to the back. 50% tint on the side windows and 20% tint on the rear to give it that nice even look. So the main point is that it doesn't take much to have fun with your BMW. You can add plenty of power to it, still look completely stock. So it's just the taste that I like on this car. I like that it's nice and sleek. I like that I added the certain subtle changes to it. I have plenty of power to back it up. It's fast, it's fun, and it still looks great. So it just makes it a nice looking 335i. There you have it, how to make your BMW into a sleeper. Now obviously if I had pure stage 2 turbos on here, that'd be even more of a sleeper because it'd just be even more faster. But just the whole point is that you can take this like what I have and build upon it as far as the base. That's really about it, guys. All right, big thumbs up in the video, subscribe if you haven't already, check out the other videos on my channel. Time to head out of here. See ya.